How to add or remove the control nearby devices in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center, and then tap on the add button at the top. Next, we go down, and then to remove the control, just tap on the remove button to remove it from the control center. And to add that widget back in, you go down and tap on add a control. Then in the list here, we scroll down and go to the motor accessibility section and tap on control nearby devices. Now you can enlarge the widget by drag on the handlebar at the bottom corner there to make it smaller or larger. And that's it. And to use it, simply swipe down the control center and tap on control nearby devices to open up. And here, your phone will begin to scan for nearby devices. If it detects any device, you will be able to control them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.